Welcome to the 2026 Residential Solar Strategy video. We will explore the latest technology, leading brands, and crucial return on investment, or ROI, calculations for residential solar installations. The older solar models are the green luxury with lower efficiency. Today, high grid prices and subsidies make advanced N-Type TOPCon and HJT systems a financial necessity. Our goal is to match cell technology to your specific climate, space, and financial objectives. The core hardware is about capturing every photon. PERC excels in low light by reflecting light for a second chance. The 2026 leader, N-Type TOPCon, prevents energy loss with a microscopic oxide layer, exceeding 24% efficiency with the lowest degradation. This technology matrix summarizes the best use cases. TOPCon's greater than 24% efficiency makes it ideal for small roofs or extreme heat. Bifacial panels offer a 15 to 30% yield boost and are suitable for elevated structures or white terraces due to their double-sided generation. The heat problem shows how efficiency is affected by temperature. Standard panels lose 0.4% power per degree above 25 degrees Celsius. N-Type TOPCon limits this loss to approximately 0.29%, making it the superior choice for hot climates. Tier 1 global leaders set the standard. Maxeon provides undisputed durability and the industry's longest 40-year warranty. Panasonic uses heterojunction, or HJT, technology, which maintains peak output even above 40 degrees Celsius. In the Indian market, Waaree Solar is the aggressive innovator. Tata Power Solar is the gold standard for integrated one-stop-shop installations. Loom Solar is the urban specialist, packing high wattage into small urban roof footprints. The 4-pillar selection diagnostic simplifies your choices. Consider efficiency versus space, prioritizing high-efficiency TOPCon, or HJT, for smaller roofs. The temperature coefficient matters in hot climates. Demand a strong warranty, and factor in current incentives like the PM Surya Ghar scheme. To size your system, use the 120-unit rule. 1 kilowatt, or kW, equals approximately 120 units of power per month. This table shows the recommended system size and required roof area based on your monthly consumption. Here is an example of the practical estimation math. A 5,000 rupee bill at 8 rupees per unit equals 625 units of monthly consumption. Dividing 625 by 120 suggests a 5.2 kilowatt system. We recommend a 5 kilowatts high-efficiency TOPCon system, requiring about 450 to 500 square feet of shadow-free space. Proper maintenance is key. Physically, dust reduces output by up to 25%. Solutions include anti-reflective coating glass or integrated sprinklers with bi-weekly washing. Digitally, Wi-Fi inverters track hourly generation and financial savings, providing alerts for underperformance. The ROI synthesis for 2026 is simple. The combination of TOPCon efficiency, TIER1 pricing, and PM Surya Ghar subsidies results in a 3 to 4 year payback. After this, electricity is virtually free for 2 decades, saving middle-class households significant amounts per year.